Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Unboxingopolis.
So guys, welcome back. First of all guys, happy
Diwali! Today we brought you the new video Diwali Stash
2025.
So guys, now we will start with the chakkars. Guys, first here are three types of chakkars. One is ground checker, normal one. These are of Elephant brand, #1 brand. And next one is stone wheel. This is special latest chakkar. We have to test it, see how beautiful it is. And next one is hot wheel chakra. This has a speciality. It will rotate it half time period in clockwise and another half time period in anti-clockwise. And next is this pop. This costs 600 rupees. See guys, 50 boxes will come guys. We have bought this also. And next we will come to shorts. This is 12 shorts, and this is pack of 10 mini shorts, and this is the multicolor shorts pack of 3. And now come to next category, the fancy category. Now our system will explain, and the next category, sparkles category, Vihan will explain. So come on.
This is 100 wala, and these are BD bombs.
This is BD bomb guys. This is disco mishmash. So this is very special guys. 5 types.
And this is flower bomb.
This is special. This has a speciality. That is, it will sparkle up and it will blast.
And this is butterfly bomb.
So guys, this is lace. So guys, don't think this we should eat it. These are bombs. So guys, we have another type of chakra called ninja chakra. It will sparkle up and come down and spin, and it will rotate. And we also have this lotto. So guys,
It will fly guys like a drone.
yes guys. So guys, here are some flower pots, normal flower pots. So guys, this is sparkles category. So
guys,
many.
We have this Tim flower type. This is only 1200 rupees. And this is our special
Cracker called peacock. So guys, we'll show next. So guys, these are the band bombs. See how much big are these, and pack of 50 little bombs. And here are
the 2025's latest.
Vishnu Chakra. So guys, see this.
Like this fast only. You
And
also buy this.
next, so many varieties of big sparkles and sparkles are present. And these are the pencils. 10 pencils are present. And these are the ropes. And here are the rockets, whistling rockets. Guys, see how much big it is. And we have some small mirchi bombs also.
So guys, if you are watching until here, thanks for watching. Like this video, share our channel and
And
subscribe.
subscribe.
Bye.